Hello guys! Today I am gonna give you two Russian sounds. If you eliminate these two sounds, your American accent will be improved by 50%, because your Russian accent will be reduced by 50%, the same number. You would say, how is it possible? What Russian sound? Sound is sound. No. You would say, well, of course sounds are different in different languages. Yes, and that's not what I'm talking about in this video. I'm talking about the sounds that are not present in the English language at all, at least American variant. The sounds are, the first one is eh. In other languages, problem is different. They have their own sounds that need to be eliminated from American. Звук мы можем встретить в английском языке только в дифтонге air, но не как гласное, не как самостоятельный звук. Дифтонгом air мы встретим такие слова, как air, bear, fair, mare. So, when we use a sound in any word, that immediately tells our listeners that we are Russians. Okay, to prove you, I'll give you several words where Russian people perhaps will be using a. At least in the beginning, when you are just starting to study English. Okay, these words: can, hand. Okay, can, we can say can. Hand, Russian people would say hand. Hand. It should be hand. It's like apple, apple. It's not apple. Man, not man. Man. Fan, not fan. Fan. And believe me, for many of us, it's a real problem, because when we do not pay enough attention to our pronunciation, when we speak, we get distracted or we get concentrated on whatever we are talking about, and we are prone to slide to instead of a. Especially in words that, by the way, you can meet in American English just in practically in every sentence. The words are have, has, had. It's just automatically we pronounce them as have, has, had. Right? Even that very short word and. You and me, we would say you and me. Should be you and you and me, you and me. So please pay more attention to these three, actually four words. And, has, had, have. Well, take a wild guess. What will be the second sound? That is o. You see, in British English, we have that o sound, not an American variant. Absolutely. There is no o sound in American variant at all. Звук о существует в американском варианте английского языка только в дифтонге оу. Но это не отдельный звук, это не самостоятельный звук, это дифтонг оу. Например, в словах go, no, boat и тому подобное. Both. For example, cop, полицейский. It's not cop. It is cop. Other words, hot. It's not hot. Hot. Not. not, shot, not shot, shot. Bog, болото. Bog, not bog. Lock, not lock, lock. By the way, in these words we have additional difficulty because cop is not cop. It's not cop, but it's not cop either. It's in between, cop. Cop will be чашка. Cop will be полицейский. Hot, горячий. It's not hot, but it is not hot either, because hot will be хата. Шалаш, house. Значит, мы следим только, чтобы наша hot не превратилась в hot. Это абсолютно разные слова. Two different words. Got, got. Got, I've got. And got, I've got. And got. Gots. Got – глагол. То есть я что-то получил. Get, got. А got – это смелость в переносном значении, а в прямом, то, что внутри нашего живота находится. Shot, выстрел. А также укол. У них укол так и называется, shot. Или I'll take a shot. Я сфотографирую вас. Shut, that means to close. Shut – это закрытый. Shut – закрывать. Bog – болото. Bug – это beetle, жук. Lock – замок. Это не lock, это lock – замок. Luck – это везение. Повезло, посчастливилось. Luck. Так что, guys, когда мы произносим буквально 2-3 слова, и мы думаем, что у нас прекрасное произношение, а может так оно и есть, и мы говорим быстро, и буквально после 2-3 слов мы слышим Where are you from? Are you from Russia? И мы думаем, what the heck? How did they know? That's impossible. I have very good pronunciation. And maybe that's true. But those words, they betray us. Pay more attention, please, to those, not words, those two sounds. Excuse me. Sounds. And o. They do not exist. Well, let me give you one exception. There is one word, only one that I am aware of. That word is ma'am. Madam, madam. В сокращении. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Очень близко к практически даже они произносят. Это единственное слово в американском языке, варианте английского языка, где мы можем услышать очень близко или практически Это единственное слово, поверьте мне. Вы скажете, есть такое имя Эми. Они тоже произносят через Это будет второе слово. Нет, они не произносят его через Они произносят его через Эми. Not Эми. Эми, Мягче, гораздо мягче. Хотя это, наверное, слово, нужно на него особенно обратить внимание. Это имя девочки, которое мы, скорее всего, тоже будем произносить как Эми. Эми. It's not Эми, it's Эми. Эми. Okay. So, guys, do yourself a favor and eliminate these two sounds from your language, American language, and your pronunciation will be top-notch.